All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Anything's from mining the coin, the staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-to-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite tokens, AMP token. It's not where the price I would like it to be. We're going to talk about AMP. Go to their website. Go to their Twitter. What's going on with AMP? Is it a ding, ding, ding? Is it a discount buy right now? Price is lower than I would anticipate. Also, at the end, we're going to talk about BNB Crop Farmers and the BUSD Crop Farmers. I'm getting ready to claim here real soon. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, these 6-in-1 miners, a few months ago, it was node season. I hope you made your money and you got out. Don't get in the nodes now, my opinion. Do your own homework. Right now, it's a 6-in-1 miner season. But with that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at AMP token number 85 on CoinMarketCap. Yep, it continues to keep going down. Is this coin gonna die? I mean, now we're under 2 cents. AMP token, come on. Down 11% in 7 days. Oh, 12% just doing my video. It's down 12%. It's up 0.5% today. Oh, that must be crazy. Let's click it. Yeah, we're at under 2 cents with AMP, 0.01915. The poor AMP army. Yeah, you've been getting your ass handed to you watching this coin for the last, I hate to swear, but the reality is the reality. Here we go. Over here in the last 7 days, it was at a peak, and of course it's down. AMP token just keeps getting beat up and beat up and beat up. Come on, AMP, what are you doing? Here we go. Down, 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 down. Let's go over to their Twitter account. AMP token is a decentralized collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application. It's a fantastic coin. It does the collateral for all the merchants and stuff like that. I love the concept of everything. Don't look like there's any updates that are new in May, but the 22nd says if you're longing for new waters to swim in, look no further. Fresh collateral pools are arriving on Flexa capacity sometime next week. Please consider this at 72-hour advance notice. So they're giving us some advance notice. On the 15th, Grayscale. This is one of the nice updates for the people that are investing like in 401ks and this and that. Grayscale has added AMP token as one of their investment products. Since joining our products family in January, AMP Waves and Scales DFund has grown. Components and Waves reference the CoinDesk DeFi Index and are subject to change. So this is a cool thing that AMP is actually as one of the investment products on Grayscale. All these things I'm going to name, you would think the coin would go up, but for some reason the coin goes down so much. But okay, Grayscale right here. There again, this is in April talking about it. They got a new listing in Huobi Global. So Huobi Global, there was a new listing. Another reason why the coin should be going up. More eyes are on this token, but the coin keeps going down. Right here is another good thing. A few months ago, Ondu Finance. If you have any questions about a recent partnership with AMP token, look no further. They partnered up. AMP has joined Frac as a service. It was kind of great. AMP put 10 million in. Right here, there's 20 million in this vault. AMP put 10 million in, and Ondu Finance put 10 million in. And again, more eyes on the AMP token. Normally, that means the price goes up. I don't know. For some reason, AMP just for 6 months wants to go down. I don't understand it, but they keep getting more and more good things going on. The coin keeps going down. If I was all you guys, keep your eye on this. It could be a good discount buy. It could be a good time to load up. Will the coin ever go back up? I have no idea. I mean, I would think the coin would go up one of these days. Here's another. AMP is now listed on Digifinex. Digifinex. Another great thing that they're listed on another platform. Come on, AMP, do something. All right, going over to their website. It is a fantastic coin, what it does for the merchants. Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like ZEC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. There's a couple things you do with the AMP. You stake the AMP. You send the AMP, and then you stake the AMP. AMP is an extendable platform for collateral asset transfer. By staking AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. digital payments, fiat currencies, exchange loans, property, and distribution. Once it's staked, we'll send it. Once the stake is staked, AMP is ready to collateralize the transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world application. And then once you stake it and you send it, you know the answer, you repeat. All right, why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features. Purpose is built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. Collateral as a service. So you can go to their white paper and learn all about the fantastic features of AMP token. AMP is a fantastic cryptocurrency. I just don't understand why the coin keeps going down for months and months and months. There's so many good things going on with it. We actually thought Amazon was going to bring it on. It was one of the 4 tokens Amazon was possibly going to bring on. That didn't happen. Right here, meet our friends. From staking payments on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity. You got partners like Flexa, Bittrex, Sushi, Uniswap, Crypto.com, Looping, Moonswap, Rainbow, Coin, Gecko, just to name a few. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're switching to 6-1 miners, and then we'll come back to AMP. So on BUSD Crop Farmers, I'm going to be claiming soon. I'm going to go over that real quick. All right, we're over here at BUSD Crop Farmers, one of my fantastic projects that I love. Take a look at that, $1.3 million in the contract. It's got an 8% daily return, 8% referral bonus, 3% hiring bonus, 12-hour compound tier, this 4-hour with cooldown period, which is fantastic. 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff. That's what I'm doing right this second. I'll show you that. 10 times mandatory. See that word mandatory? 10 times mandatory compound. That's why this is such a solid project. If you take your money out too early, be prepared to pay 80% tax. Don't do it, boys and girls. All right, let's go take a look at this. Here's what's going to happen today. I have 10 compounds already done. 10. If I claimed it right now, I would get 43 bucks. I make $79 a day with this little bad boy, but I ain't claiming right now. I put a whole $250 into it. That was what I was willing to put in. I've already claimed 112, so I'm almost at about 40% of my money back because of the compounds. You know how you compound and you compound? My $250 has grown to $11.52. A few of you have actually used my link. Thank you for the referrals. I totally appreciate it. Taking the time to do all this and stuff like that. I do appreciate the referrals. I try to be as transparent as possible. This is one of my favorite projects. There's 4 projects that I like. I'm going to list them in order. Any of these projects at any given time could be number 1. Drip is number 4 because it never hits its deadlines. It could one day again be number 1, but it's still in the top 4. I love the Piston Token could be my number 1. All these farmer projects, BUSD farmers, USDC farmers, BNB farmers, those are in there. I also like My Diamond Teams V2. It pays 1.5%, which is on BNB, and then Drip's in there at number 4. Drip used to be my number 1, but for some reason they don't respect investors and try to hit deadlines and stuff like that. They kind of just keep pushing the deadlines back and pushing the deadlines back. Piston Token, by the way, has become the number 1 platform for the 1% ROIs. One thing, because they keep bringing more information, bringing more things, NFTs, all kinds of stuff. So Drip is still in my top 4. Animal Farm and Piggy Bank cannot be in my top anything because, of course, they're paused forever. But with that, let's go back to this. So taking a look at this. So this right here in 34, if I wanted to claim it right now, everybody, I could. But why would I claim $43 when I make $78 a day? I'm just going to let this thing now fill my card up for 34 hours. Let me bring this up in case if you don't see it. Now look at, they want to entice me and give me a 30% bonus. No, not doing that. I have to get my ROI and break even. Okay, so in 34 hours from now, and I will do this on film, on whatever video I'm doing in 34 hours from now, but in 34 hours from now, this is going to be, I don't know, 110, 120, and I'm going to compound it, and then I'm going to already break even on my BUSD Crop Farmers, and then what happened is it'll be a pure profit project for me. Now, again, do your own homework. I do think you should watch YouTubers and see what they're doing. The nodes are dying. Will they ever bounce back again? It's kind of like the AMP token. Will AMP ever bounce back again? I don't know. I think 90% of the node projects are going to die Don't put your money in the nodes. If I was you, I put my money in the Strong and Project X and Power, getting my ass handed to me. And today I'm actually doing a few swear words because that's just the way the ball bounces, everybody. But here's the thing. This is a fantastic project. I'm literally claiming in 35 hours from now. Over here at USDC Farmers, they have almost 428,000 in here, which is fantastic. Same principle, but take a look, everybody. I only have 8 compounds. And if I take my money out early, I get charged at 80% tax. So I have 2 more compounds to do before I can fill up my cart. In this one, I put $500 in. I've got $110 back. I'm making $55 a day right with this. So I have 2 more compounds. So that's going to be another 24 hours because every compound's 12 hours, so 12 and 12 is 24. So in about 24 hours from now, I will start filling up my cart to claim. And the last one real quick before we head back to AMP token. All right, this one pays 6% a day. They trimmed it a little bit for the stability. I put 2.75 BNB in. As you can see, I've compounded to 3.97. This little bad boy, holy cow, look at this. I'm making 0.42 BNB a day. Again, I've only got 5 compounds right now, so basically I have to get this to 10 before I can actually start filling up my cart. I don't want to pay the 80% tax, but take a look at that 0.42, 385 times 0.42. I'm making $160 a day with this. So when I do claim this, I think I got about 1,100 bucks in this one. This was my biggest project of them all. I put 250 in the BUSD, I put 500 in the USDC, and I put 1,100 in the BNB Crop Farmer. So I like all these projects. Do your own homework. But again, the key thing is in about 35 hours, I will be claiming in BUSD, and I'll do that on film so you can all see. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. There's a thanks button, too, you can click, too. I appreciate that. Anybody who thanks all the YouTubers for taking the time to do this. And again, on all those 3 projects, I will link my link in the bottom in case you did want to get into the project. Let's head back over to AMP token for a price prediction and talk about AMP. All right, so AMP token, back at the website, we were talking about their partners that they're with. Again, they have a lot of different companies they're partnered up with, so that's fantastic for AMP. Doing a price prediction, I'm going to go down. Since the coin wants to go down so much, it's almost 2 cents. Hey, AMP's going to go down to a penny. AMP will go down to a penny, 0.01. That 9 will be gone. All my information is for educational purposes only. I've been trying to think it's going to go back up, but it's been fooling me and fooling me and fooling me. It's kind of like if I was at the blackjack table, or I'm saying the roulette table, and I keep putting on red, 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 and it keeps hitting black, black, black. I know they tell you with the roulette table that there's no rhyme or reason. You know, anything can come up, but if 40 times in a row it came up red, I would probably say, yep, it's going to come up black. So since AMP wants to go down and keep going down and going down, my prediction, it's going to keep going down. Do your own homework. Of course, all our information is for educational purposes only. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Click over here, and I'm going to link the BNB Crop Farmers. Click over here, and I'm going to go ahead and list the BUSD Crop Farmers. Thanks for tuning in. It's a Monday. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you a little bit later on today.